there is, both in Dr. Susan Rice's meetings and our meeting today, widespread appreciation for the decisive action we have taken against terrorism and extremism. The question of the Haqqani network is a more limited issue, and it depends on the assessment of the ground situation. The infrastructure of the Haqqani network in North Waziristan, which included IED factories and a number of other capacities, including communication, has been disrupted. So what is left here may be very limited, and compared to the capacity they still have in Afghanistan. So the assessment of if they were involved in any activity, how much of it came from here and what happened from Afghanistan is very difficult to verify. The assumption on the other side is that probably they still have ability to control or direct things from here, and our assessment is that their capacity in Afghanistan is much, much bigger, probably 80–90% compared to what is here, and what is here is also being cleaned out as a part of our operations. So I think it's a question of verifying the ground situation, but on the objectives there is no difference of opinion right now, and I hope in due course this will be resolved.